Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our community service report done in Aisyah Temple Sleman. And the team is Wahyuni Kartikasari, myself, and Sugeng Rianto. The theme of this community service is responding and anticipating the development of bullying among students. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Lately, we have seen a lot of news in newspapers, televisions, and social media containing news of cases of attempted suicide or even incidents of suicide and violence that have occurred among our pupils and students. One of the causes is bullying. From January to August in 2023, the Indonesian Child Protection Commission recorded that child protection violation reaching 2,355 cases. From this data, 861 incidents of violence against children occurred in the education unit environment. KPAI Commissioners Arif Adi Leksoneri felt that bullying cases are rife in several areas. Bullying incidents are not only experienced and occur in senior or junior high school, but also occur in elementary schools. Bullying is an act that is intentional or unintentional, but clearly causes discomfort, humiliation, loss, crime, and suffering for the victim. Generally, people who are victims of bullying are children who are physically and economically disadvantaged and are seen as weak and easy targets for bullying. Meanwhile, the factors that trigger a child to become a perpetrator of bullying can come from a harsh family education pattern or being too pampered. The circle of friends, television shows, and social media or encouragement and requirements to enter a group of friends in a certain category. Therefore, the role of adults such as teachers and parents is very necessary in children's development so that cases of bullying don't occur whether they become victims or perpetrators of bullying. However, the next problem is that not all adults understand how to prevent or deal with bullying that occurs in their environment. Therefore, a movement to raise awareness, understanding, and information is needed to prevent bullying before it happens to people closest to them through training and information forums. In the survey, it was found that anxiety about the development of this bullying phenomenon emerges among the women leading the Aisyah Temple branch as administrators, most of whom are teachers and former teachers. They see that education and knowledge about the dangers of bullying are very important to this, so that they can prevent further dangers. Due to the magnitude of the losses and being included in crimes, this community service aims to design a program to provide knowledge about the dangers and potentials of bullying to parents, educational staff as a form of mitigations for victims and perpetrators of bullying as a preventive measure, so as far as possible to prevent bullying behavior from developing. The community service program invites psychologists as speakers to convey knowledge which is planned to be attended by participants who are directly involved in the students' environment, namely educators and parents. Even though relatively speaking, parents and teaching staff have not experienced cases of bullying, this is why this program was held as a mitigation measures, as a preventive measures before an undesirable incident occurs. So, in an effort to prevent bullying, this is educational activities which are carried out using various direct and indirect theoretical and practical models. Educations or literacy can take the form of seminars, discussions, role play, games, workshops, and so on. In this service, we choose the workshop model where there are activities in the form of seminars, discussions, sharing experience with research persons from academic as well as counseling practitioners and psychologists. And these are as the press release of our community service in Majalah Suara Aisyah, Bulletin Sleman, and Suara Muhammadiyah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin that this community service has been carried out. I would like to thank all those who have helped already for this community service, Mrs. Yani, Ibu-Ibu PCA Tempel Sleman, and the community service team.